C250 camshaft position sensors. Just remove your cover. There's one here, one right there. Now you just unlock it, pull up on it, unplugs like that. It's a E8. Inverted Torx. Just remove your E8. Now, you just want to hold your sensor back and forth and rock it. And pop out. Pop out just like that. Take the new one, grease around the O-ring. I bought mine from Benz. Push it down the hole. Put back in your E8. Want to line up your bolt hole there. I want to make sure that's right. Put in your E8. Down. I'm not sure of the torque spec. Just don't over tighten because it is plastic. Push in your plug. You'll hear it click. Lock back your lock. Same process for that one. Same E8. And that's the camshaft sensor replacement. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, hit that like button. See you next time.